glass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Yeah. Stars outside, and it feels just right.
Happy birthday, Ola!
Singing, ooh.
Happy birthday sa mahal kong anak, and ang wish ko po ay sana makamit niya lahat ng pangarap niya at saka maging lumaki siya na mabait, magana.
Dance with me tonight. When we're moving slow, just one time.
Happy birthday, Ola!
Whatever you do, baby, don't let go.
Happy birthday, Olak. Itong birthday mo talagang pinag-ipunan nila Umay tsaka ni Abe. Sana lumaki ka mabait. Lagi ka sa amin susunod. Lahat gagawin nila Umay tsaka ni Abe para sa'yo. Yun lang. I love you, baby ko, Olak.
Was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance